Hi home cooks! Today I'm in the kitchen making a classic Monte Cristo sandwich. This sandwich is a must try if you love that sweet and savory combo. Filled with deli sliced meat, cheese, a lightly dipped French toast outside, and a dusting of powdered sugar to finish it off. This is the ultimate restaurant style Monte Cristo sandwich that you can make at home. This classic sandwich brings together savory ham and turkey, with melted Swiss cheese all wrapped in a French toast batter. It's quick and easy to make and completely satisfying. With this Monte Cristo recipe, you can make a sandwich just like your favorite deli or cafe. So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make a Monte Cristo sandwich. To start this recipe, I'm going to make the batter for the sandwich. Into a shallow bowl, crack 2 eggs. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of milk and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk this together until everything is smooth and incorporated. Now I'm just going to set this aside while I get on with assembling the sandwich. If you're worried about your sandwich falling apart while you dip it in the batter, you can go ahead and dip the bread in now. Transfer your first slice of bread to your buttered preheated pan, then assemble the sandwich right on top. For my spread, I'm using a spicy mustard. On top, I'm going to place a layer of Swiss cheese. I'm using grated cheese here, but sliced Swiss cheese will work perfectly as well. I'm going to follow that up with deli sliced ham and turkey. I prefer using really thin slices of ham and turkey here. It really helps to bulk up the sandwich without giving it too much weight. Then on top of the meat, I'm going to add another layer of Swiss cheese. My favorite type of Swiss cheese to use is Gruyere, but Emmental or your favorite type of cheese would work great here as well. Finally, I'm going to dip the last slice of bread and place it on top of the sandwich. Allow it to cook on low heat. This low and slow cooking is going to allow your sandwich enough time to heat all the way through, without letting the outside of the sandwich get overly browned and toasted. Once your cheese has started to melt, and the first side of the bread is nicely golden brown, gently flip the sandwich to the other side. Allow it to cook on the other side for a few minutes until the second side is nicely cooked through and golden. Then you can remove it to a plate. To finish this sandwich off, for that classic French toast taste on the outside, give it a generous dusting of powdered sugar. And my classic Monte Cristo sandwich is ready to slice and enjoy. This simple, foolproof recipe will give you the perfect deli-style Monte Cristo sandwich. It's perfect for a hearty breakfast, lunch, or served with your favorite side for a cozy weekend meal. And it makes the perfect upgrade for any grilled cheese lovers in your life. This warm sandwich pairs perfectly with a simple side salad or with crunchy oven-baked potatoes on the side. And this is the type of sandwich that loves to be served with a dip. Some classics being raspberry jam, strawberry, or other fruity preserves. This will give you that classic sweet and savory combo. Try honey mustard for a sweet and tangy zip, or my favorite, maple syrup, which is perfect for breakfast or brunch. And as always, you can find a link to the full written recipe in the description box below. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.